Hi friends, this is Mohan Chandra, your coach, mentor and business strategist. You might be hearing me a lot of videos in Hindi. But today what I decided, as such we have started our office in Bangalore because of this coronavirus lockdown situation. I could able to sense and find various people losing their jobs. It's a very difficult time where stood up in this country. I said that I'm the person which I can able to help you guys. And every family, it's very unfortunate. So many people they would not able to express being a middle class people or a high class people. Everybody has their own expenses, but nobody is there to express that. Nobody is there to help. How you can able to get out from the situation? Yes, it's difficult. The India is facing a very big challenging task. So many economists in India are saying that it's very easy to come out, but I'm Mohan Chandra. I always sense that it's a very tough time. So how to come out from the situation? Yes, my dear friend, that's where actually overall concept is. We started Startup Clinic in 2014 because what I was feeling, from 2000, this is the problem from 2020. It's not a problem of immediate, it's a problem of 2020 when it started. India started a communication devices. That's been a telephones, followed by a use TV channels, growth on the TV channels. The, then it's become a social media. Smartphones in 2012, it has a journey started from 2012. Smartphone. The most of the time which we have spent our time into, really into a Facebook, WhatsApp, all the social media platforms. So if you look at the average Indian has spent somewhere around 8 to 10 hours in a day in a social media. My dear friends, today the situation is not today's situation. It is a result of last 20 years. So how to come out from the problem is always a challenge. Yes, I have a solution because, as I say, I am a coach, mentor, and business strategist. I'm, I can able to assure you, my dear friends. I can able to assure you, you can make money. You can save your families. That's for sure. To save your families, you need to understand the entire concept of a startup clinic. You know, startup clinic basically a organization of a brand of Genvi Ventures Private Limited. It has a vision because I am Mohan Chandra. I have my vision by 2034. Rich India and rich India. The India should be rich. So to become rich India, it's very simple. It's too simple. You need to concentrate. Your family should be rich. So you need to define your rich statement. Everybody has a definition of a rich statement. You know, let me discuss a statement of a richness because thing is that people is unaware what is rich, what is poor. So everybody thinks that rich is considered Warren Buffett or a Mark Zuckerberg. So the Facebook owner and all, because I don't remember exactly the names of those people who are become a only few rich people. You know, here I'm there to teach you, help you in terms of making your family as a rich. So you need to define your family as rich. What is that rich is all about? The family rich means because suppose I take my example, what I need, you know, uh, today at the age of 43, I have my own house, I have my own vehicle, and I have my two daughters. I have certain responsibilities like I need to take care of certain families who are dependent on me. They rely upon me. So I need to feed them all the people. If you take my average expenses, I for my survival somewhere I required somewhere around 2-3 lakh rupees because my daughter's education. So basic requirement if you look at 2-3 lakhs. So how much I need to earn? I need to earn double. Why double? So if I need to earn 5 lakh rupees, I need to break down my entire money into days, into hours, divided by days and divided by hours. So if I talk about to make 5 lakh rupees, I require somewhere around 15,000, 20,000 take it on a daily basis. To make 20,000 rupees per day, which is my own income. It's my own income. It's not an organizational income. It's my own income. That's my family income. I will not look at that what my organization size is. What is the startup clinic size is? Because startup clinic has a lot of people who are working for a common goal, common direction. But for my survival, if I am not helping my own parents to live and survive, I'm the most foolish person in this earth. Because they are dependent on me. They look at that when I am teaching how to make rich to you. I should be rich. That's more important. My family should be in a very comfort and a safe mode because they are dependent on me. You know, God has always makes one person in a family who drives the entire family. Will you believe it or not? That's immaterial to me. But yes, I rely upon. As my startup, let me understand what is startup clinic is all about. You know, startup clinic is an organization which is a brand. It's a clinic. It's like a same doctor how it performs, and our team functions the same way. We are there in Bangalore. We are there in Vijayawada. We are going to be very soon in every state of India because the real requirement is now. We are there in Delhi, of course, my dear friend. As such, we concentrate most of the time in Hindi. That's the reason that my flow is in English is little slow. When you look at that, how I speak in Hindi, that you can able to understand because I need to not to look at that what the next word I need to speak because I use my live videos. I never go into record that no I need to keep my data ready and all. It's not the way. It's more of an introduction video, which will understand what the startup clinic, how it will help to bring you up from your existing problems. You know, so let me understand startup clinic is all about. Before that, we need to understand what is a startup, because in India, in the world, people has forgot the definitions of entire startup. Because as you talk about Mohan Chandra as a coach, mentor, and business strategist, I'm the only person in this earth is called qualified. Qualified. Rest of you all people are certified. Yes, I'm qualified. You are certified. What you are hearing is exactly right. The reason behind, if you talk about overall, because this is a very, very important video of your life. If you understand the concept of a startup, you won your race. If you say that your startup, you've won for a toss. Make it very, very crisp and clear because this video will run for around 30 minutes. Because I am recording this video in the night around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I don't even know. Because if you look at my Hindi, I have more than 450, 500 plus videos, more than half an hour, and I talk into various subjects. So I thought of starting an English channel, but thing is that unless until I am there into every state of the country, I'll not be uttering much English words because thing is that I need to have my team ready to help you. My team ready to help you. Because as such, I am recording in the lockdown period from home, work from home. As such, I always work from my own studios. When the lockdown has started, it was in a day when 21st of March. Because on 20th, generally what happens till 20th, what are the money we make into office, we won't get for our own personal needs. We say that let our team take entire, everybody gets settled, rents, everything is get settled. On 21st, we should get back. The day when entire situation has started, all of a sudden Modi ji announced that it's like the same when Notbandi. It's like a overnight GST. Similarly, today it's a lockdown without even a gap, and a lot of my team is got stuck. And lot of people have only 2 lakh rupees around bank balance because we are into a rotation. As that's not my personal balance as well as the organizational balance because we keep on rotating. So you need to understand that how we have to manage in a difficult situation because so many calls I received and people are started crying that no sir, help me, help me, help me. Yes, my dear friend, you need to take enough patience. Mohan Chandra is the only person who can able to help you into a difficult situation because I am there to help you guys, not making my own money. I I'll be helping you making your own money. You would have never found a person like me in this earth because everybody wants to save their own family. And I'm saying that that's very true because kept my family as a safe mode. First, number one, my family is safe and my team is safe. If you talk about my own team, that's been my family, another family is called my startup clinic team. They are safe. Then my the startup clinic partners or HNB Ventures partner, those families are made safe. Yes, my relatives, I found that everybody is into railways and all. They are safe. The people who are into government, they are safe. Even though people are into business, they are safe. The community called an employee are safe. Then I said that let me help the people who's called society. Unless until society is safe, I am not safe. Suppose my next house is unsafe, that's mean I am unsafe because I may find any security reason. Suppose if they are hungry, if I am not feeding, they will come and attack me. Remember, this is what is the reality of this world. So that's the reason I always, when I left my job in 2014, when the January 31st, the reason of leaving a job is considered because I was helping to grow organization in such a pace. The organizer which I was working with a company called Abbott. It's a global brand. You know that it's a pharmaceutical company. I was working into a greater role. I had a great responsibility. But thing is that as my responsibility looks like over into that organization, so I decided to quit in 2013, and I thought of now starting my entrepreneurship journey. So I created a brand. That brand become number one in this country. That time it's become a e-commerce platforms. Then I went to a printing line. So then we created a brand called Print Visa. We spread across the country. We started a chain retail and we given it to the every person they said that because we were doing a test marketing how it functions because it's a corporate experience. My life is almost spent into a pharmaceutical company. I was into communication in 2001. Then I started my career at age of 7 years. I started earning from the age of 7 years because I have an experience of somewhere around 35 years of core experience of earning. Yes, I'm always a satisfied person because I work somewhere around 18 hours in a day, 22 hours I awake, and I spend my good time with my family and friends. Yes, because I know that life is only once, and I know my journey by 2030 for Rich Indian. That's what I'm talking about. There's nobody has there to talk in this country. The reason is considered. Nobody knows where they are going. Everybody is running behind money, money, money. Money is never. Money is everybody runs into the same platform, catching a money. Money is more powerful because everybody is running. Money is running much faster. So I say that money making is the most easiest thing. Yes, my dear friend, we teach how to make money because when I looked at startups, when I was creating various startups, small startups and all, what I found that the people, the community and all the employees, they're just stealing my brand every time. Whatever I'm doing and the people are doing the same. I was into e-commerce, everybody went to e-commerce and we were giving Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal training programs. Everybody started in training program. At end of the training program is given into YouTube. YouTubers started giving a training program. They don't even know how to build a brand. As such, I was working into a brand building. I was working for the Abbott. I was building today also. If I talk about Abbott, so then you will start googling it. What is Abbott is all about? So that's mean what I was doing. Just I was working to create their own brand, create the brand of mine. That's mean Abbott because I was started a career called entrepreneurship into. I was an entrepreneur. I was selling my time, that to into variable price. Yes, my dear friend. Yes, I grown into my career much faster, which is it's not a luck, it's a time which I spent into the organization. I helped the organization to grow because those people were paying me. I never said that the organization is bad because I was working in Lupin. That's also again a pharmaceutical company. I never said that Lupin is bad because I was into respiratory medicine. I was into gynecology, infertility. So I spent into ICUs most, into the critical care centers is most, and because of that. Today the coronavirus, I say that it's not a coronavirus, it's an H1N1 influenza. Okay, the vaccine has been made long back. It's a game of a vaccine. Yes, because if you look at my Hindi videos, I was talking from quite long time. I was telling that it's not nothing to worry. It's an economy game. It's an economics, you know. Because if I talk about a subject of economy or what is a marketing, if I ask you what is marketing, being an MBA of IIM guy, you don't have an answer. Yes, my dear friend. Because thing is that we are born for becoming employees, you know. So if I talk about our journey, life is a journey. People talk about a life is a journey, and I say that Mohan Chandra's life is really a journey. You can go and flip my pages. Every day I spend around half an hour time with the viewers of Hindi. I was into social media, various platform where you can able to see Mohan Chandra. If you type Mohan Chandra, Google only name Mohan Chandra. I'm the only person who is available into the video because I created a subject called communication because I want to talk to you. This is a platform I choose myself and I express you guys. Of course, I feel that every person in this country are my friends, relatives. Without you, how I can able to be very, very safe, you tell me. Suppose something happens to this country. We are unsafe because my family is unsafe, because I love my own people, I love you people, because you are also own. Because so think of that now I born into the family, where I born into the family. Somebody, the Reliance people has stolen me in the childhood and they put me into their home. I would have been a great uh, personality in this country because they had their own platform, right? I was unaware because it is a culture which is my parents has given me. I really, thankful to my parents. I thankful to those all people who are my mentors, coaches, my bosses who always guided me in a right direction because I was into a very fast mode and they could able to put me a direction right so that I can able to I flown the way which I want. But over a period of time, I found that if the way my journey is going on, if I'm helping you to teach, come out from the various critical situations, you can able to perform better and you can able to be very, 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 very happy how I am. I'm in a happy soul, you know. I have a beautiful family, I have a beautiful circle and a lot of friends and all, everybody. Let me now understand core because I will be speaking to you only 30 minutes as an introduction video. So later that let me look at that how I can able to shape up this video channel because I want to create in a channel which will talk in English so that I can able to reach the states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu and certainly a core batch of what is that professionals. Because if you look at my startup clinic overall plan is because I said that by 2034 rich India, rich Indian. That means every Indian should be rich. This is a 20 years thought process which I taken as vision and I started working alone. So many people are getting joined and as such I am a face of an organization and I have an entire picture is clear into my brain so that I can able to present what I want into my life. Number one, I focus on an entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development. Second is employment generation. Third is women empowerment. I'm talking about a women empowerment. I'm not talking about a women entrepreneurship. Women empowerment. Third, fourth is considered skill development. Fifth is healthcare. Let me come from the down. If your health is good, your wealth is good. To make money, you should be an entrepreneur. Everybody can't be an entrepreneur, but I'm saying that everybody can be an entrepreneur. Yes. How it is, let me understand. These are the five major challenges of any family. So when I created a startup. For that, we need to understand startup clinic. Startup is a business, clinic is a doctors. That means a doctor treats the actual health, actual health. But startup clinic treats the problem of basically money. So we said that startup clinic is basic identification of a problem is money. Let me park the problem over there. Money is, you remember, money is a problem. Let me see. The Rapido bike or a Ola, what they found? They found commutation is a problem. Red bus, ticket booking of a bus is a problem because when that guy was get frustrated, he is an internet guy, he created one website and they started and become a red bus as brand. Amazon, sitting at a home and buying, shopping from home is a problem. Everybody has a problem, you can able to see, look at various sense, you know, for a 3M, uh, 3M is a company that makes various products and all. They also make a mask or a surgical equipment and so on. The mask, the protection of a cup is considered the mask. Protection is considered health. You protect. The mask is a problem. Problem is a COVID virus. The mask is a protection. The solution. Wherever the problem is there, you need to sell a solution. Look at the, suppose if I talk about the problem of my own house. Like what is my problem? Suppose I need to cover my body and I should be very unique. I need to cover my body. Body covering is a problem of common every person. I need to look myself as a unique so nobody should copy. What I did, I'm wearing a t-shirt which if you try in this world you will not get. Yes, my dear friend, if you try in this world, you will not get. That means a custom t-shirt. This t-shirt is exclusively by Mohan Chandra. Nobody else will use because I am also exclusively. You will not find second person in this earth. Yes, remember very nicely because my shirt you can't able to find. My shirt you will not find. Person like me you will not find a replica. Yes, because I'm explaining you very nicely. You remember that what is the startup? The problem of my body covering up because so it's a being a unique. I need to pay more. To pay more, we created our own startup. That's been a 99 supplements because we said that let me create a custom business as a printing. That's later part we can able to understand. So I need to pay more because it's a one piece, unique in the world. Nobody has a ability or a capacity to create a same design with same feel. No, nobody can able to copy because think that in next video you may find me into a different shirts because I love to wear a unique clothing. That's the problem. You try to understand individually. I have problem to cover up my body. I need a unique things. For that, I need to pay to buy cover up my body. I need to buy a T-shirt or a shirt at a better price, higher price because it's only one piece manufacturer. It's a unique number one. So similarly, if you look at my house is a problem into a lockdown period because I will be, my family, we are a non-vegetarian family. We require a non-vegetarian almost on a daily basis. So during a lockdown, we found that the challenge is considered the non-veg delivery platforms during lockdown, which is not available. So what we did, we've gone and bought a lot of non-veg and we stored into a double-decker fridge. Double-decker means double door. Because I always remember my childhood, Mumbai double-decker bus, double-decker train. These are the things which is into my brain. So double door fridge. We put up a lot of poultry, chicken, fish, whatever we eat. So everything is there. And of course, we feed every week. We recycle the products and we go over on a fresh one. And second is we recycle it because it's a good fridge. It's like a same 5-star what they store for a years together or a months together. The similar fridge is there with me so that we can store fish, chicken, whatever it is, perishable goods, keep into that fridge. So that's a problem we identified and we given a solution. Of course, suppose the problem is of a same every society of my building. So I can offer the same fridge to everybody, they will buy. No doubt about it. I need to explain them this is what I did it. Unless until I say that this is what I found a solution, they will not believe, and I can able to show because I did a test marketing in that lockdown period. So I can talk to them, I can say, yes, this is during a lockdown period, this is what the solution we found. Suppose you are a non-vegetarian during, if you want to store the into a freezer, so this is the best fridge where you can able to buy. I can create a new brand name of fridge that people was manufacturing. I can go and get them OEM. What generally China does. So next is considered the problem of a society. Every problem of a society is a security. So security cameras. Every problem is a society having a watchman. So you can create your own platform like watchmans. So if the problem is a much bigger, that's when Ola. There's a problem of a commutation. Zomato, home delivery. So people are identifying and putting up the problem solutions. So what I found that every time I create a brand and somebody is stealing you, because we are creating a test market time. We are understanding that how it works into a scale, larger scale. So meantime somebody comes and does a copy of that and they claim themselves as, because I would have spoke more than 4,000 different occasions I was posting a various different businesses. We teach of more than 4,000 plus businesses of your own choice. Suppose you're a builder, you're a builder. Suppose you're a hotelier. Suppose you're into any company you are running, you are making a cars, you are making anything is concerned. You are a politician, you are finding that difficulty to survive in front. You are finding your company is into a great stress. Mohan Chandra can able to help you. Because in startup clinic we found problem is itself as a money. Because we said that let we solve a world's biggest problem is called money. Money is a problem of you, your father, your mother, your organization, your society, your country, your state, your country, your world. Yes, this is what my open challenge to you guys. We teach how to make money. First time in the world. This is what my startup clinic has a ability to solve world's any problem. World's any problem. Yes, you are hearing right. Suppose you lost a job and you want to start your own business. We will help you, as a startup clinic will help you. Suppose you want to join us for this momentum. We are open for 720 districts. You can be our consultant, you can start working with us, but only thing is that you should not lie a single word. That's what more important. And you should not be greedy. That's more important, because I love to have one car, one wife, one home. I have 2 kids. I can afford to have another 20 kids, 100 kids also. It's not a big deal, because thing is that I convert my time into money. This is an half an hour video. Just I am speaking half an hour video. This is reachable to those all people who are into great stress, because my videos generally reaches to those people, because my target audience is those who are into a great stress. Yes, because every problem of the world can be solved through money, and money making is the most easiest thing. World's biggest problem is money, and I teach how to make money. And my team knows, because we work on to train the trainer. Suppose you are in a MBA and you are into corporate, you want to start your own business, we are there to help you out. You can work with us as partner of that particular district, and you will be treated as a god. People will come and touch your feet. You can be a coach, you can be a mentor. Of course, you can't be a strategist. Mohan Chandra is the only strategist in this country, in this earth, you can say, because whatever the strategy somebody is doing it. Suppose take it Reliance does a strategy. So I have a ability to open up all the locks, because every strategy will have a lot of locks. Tuck, 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 lot of locks. If the strategy is bigger, so number of locks will be. It's like a temple run is a strategy. Somebody creates, there is a lock. You think of the two different things which I really suggest. Two different movies or two three things which please remember and do that definitely. One is considered Watch a Businessman is a one movie which is Telugu movie. Telugu movie Businessman Mahesh Babu, starring Mahesh Babu, one movie. I Am the Legend, one English movie which I seen in 2007. These are the two movies. I always want you to play Temple Run. Learn so much from Temple Run. Fourth is considered Lord Venkateswara. Lord Venkateswara temple you might be heard, Lord Balaji. These are the four things. You follow Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Follow Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Follow Lord Sri Krishna. These are, and please also read the books like Chanakya Niti, Chanakya, Kautilya, and of course you can think of Mohan Chandra. Mohan, name of a Sri Krishna. Chandra is a lighting. You know that Chand is a moon. Mohan, moon, Chandra. So a beautiful combination of my name, because I'm a brand. I sell my own name. It's like a Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi. Mohan is also having Mohan. Das Karamchand, leave it, Chand is a lighting. Again, Lord Sri Krishna, he also got a name of Mohan. He belongs to the moon's family, that's a Chandra. So similarly, God has given me name. Similarly, God, because I follow a lot into these people, and I really inspire the person called Ratan Tata, only businessman, only entrepreneur in this country. If somebody looks at that, somebody claims that I am also an entrepreneur, I am very sorry, my dear friend. I never seen any entrepreneur in this country who is called entrepreneur. Yes, Ratan Tata is the only man I can say entrepreneur. The leadership, if I talk about, you can look at Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the only leader, or Jayalalitha, again a great leader. YSR Rajasekhar Reddy, a great leader. I inspire those kind of people because thinking that I learned a lot from them, leadership. So rest is considered, I don't find great leaders in this country, because India is full of emotions. We don't know reality, we don't talk about, because Mohan Chandra, I can challenge you,
designing and dressage accolades. He was the parade commander in RDC in 2008 from Delhi NCC, represented Delhi NCC in Republic Day Parade 2007 and 2008, received Defense Secretary Commendation Card, Roll of
passionate enough to start your own business but don't know where to start from? Do you want to be your own boss but don't know how to initiate? Are you looking for new ideas and unique solutions to reach out to your potential customers? Or are you just simply worried about the potential risk factors associated with your idea? With many such obstacles and hurdles along the way, starting your own firm is surely not easy. And we at Startup Clinic know exactly what it takes to help you. With Startup Clinic by your side as your own business clinic, you can now sit back and relax and kiss a goodbye to all your troubles and worries. Through instant help in your startup process, Startup Clinic provides you all the services related to company formation, rebranding and much more. Starting from just Rs 99,999, get unlimited ideas for business along with experts' opinion and meetings with consultants, and starting from just Rs 888, get unlimited services for your startup. From company formation to brand and logo creation, from website and application development to social media marketing, we undertake all the responsibilities there are in order to make your business a shining example in modern-day entrepreneurship. We also help you with bank loans, funding, factory setups, shows and event participation along with unlimited advertising opportunities. We have 100+ business modules under a single window solution under one clinic. After mastering all the major business industries like hotels, e-commerce, salons, franchising, logistics, restaurants and hotels, clothing and accessories, pharmaceuticals, media, furniture, mobile stores and manufacturing, we have gained all the necessary skills there are and have become much more than just capable to help you in ways more than one. Startup Clinic can provide you with your unique plan and assist you in capital generation as well. All you have to worry about is your ringing cash registers. Startup Clinic is professionally managed by industry experts, and business and technology planning are done through IIM, IIT standards. Our finances and laws are conducted by CA, CS and LLB experts, powered by Zenby Group of Companies. YouTube and subscribe to our channel Startup Clinic and click the bell icon for daily notifications. We can also assist you on several social media and other platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Tumblr, Google+, Vimeo, Pinterest, Quora and Facebook. To know more about us, visit our website www.startupclinic.com.